Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cactus in a desert. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw my cactus. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's just going to curve up like this, and I'm going to kind of curve it around, and as I come down, I'm going to go out, and then I'm just going to come in a little bit like this, and then I'm going to come down right to about here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and in, and then I'm going to curve out really wide and then get nice and skinny as I come back. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, and I'm going to curve this out, and then I'm going to get real skinny as I come back, and those are going to be the arms of my cactus. Now right here, I'm going to draw just a little bit of like a bumpy line. I'm going to add another little bumpy line right here to show that the cactus is sitting in some dirt. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down towards the bottom. And then over here, I'm going to draw another line that's just going to curve down towards the bottom. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go all the way to the top of here. And then I'm going to do the same thing right here. Now, I want to add some spikes on my cactus, so I'm just going to add some small little lines like this that are just kind of going all over. And I'm going to put these going different directions, just kind of all around the cactus. And I'm just going to put these all over the place, and inside and on the outside, just to make it look really spiky. Now over here I want to put like a little cow skull. I feel like all deserts always have that famous little cow skull. So starting here, I'm just going to draw an oval like this, and then I'm going to draw another oval right here. Then I'm going to draw a little line around this oval, and I'm going to kind of curve it in. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down, and I'm just going to curve it around here like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. I'm going to put a couple little zigzags on it, and then I'm just going to bring it right here to this line. Then in here, I'm just going to make a little bit of a zigzag line, and I'm just going to go down and up like this for the nose. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then down like this for one horn. And then over here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then down like this for the other horn. Then I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to run down the center. Now, back here, I'm going to just draw a horizon line. So this line is just going to go straight across to here. And then I'm just going to continue the line over here like this. Then I want to draw the mountains. Now, the mountains in the desert are a little bit different looking. They're not so tall and pointy and triangular. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw these lines up at an angle, and then I'm going to make them kind of flat across. And then I'm going to bring them back down real low, and then I'm going to go up and over and down like this. Then I'm going to continue them over here. I'm going to make them real short. Then I'm going to go up. I'm going to make one real tall and kind of skinny at the top. Then I'm going to go down, come up, go kind of flat, and bring them down like this. And I'm going to extend this horizon line a little bit farther out. Then I'm just going to add a couple little kind of bumpy lines like this for some rocks. And I'm just going to put one more over here like that. And then I'm just going to add some little lines coming down from my mountain. And I'm going to draw a few lines going up. And there you go. There's your drawing of a cactus in a desert. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.